So now we are showing you the demonstration of finding out sodium in the sample, and for that we have to use the instrument called flame photometer. So we have a flame photometer. This is the display window for the flame photometer. As you can see sodium, calcium and potassium. We are going to show you only for sodium. So when we switch on the instrument, there are 3 buttons for starting the airflow, the gas. Okay, so A, G and F. Okay. And the flame. Yes. So the flame you can see here. I will try to show you the flame here. Yeah, you can see the flame is on. Okay. So now we are going to start with the instrument. You can see the flame from the top as well. So this is the flame photometer. So we will start with the experiment first now. So the first part is, as shown here, aspirate blank. So we are going to aspirate the blank. First we will rinse it, then we will use the blank sample. So then so first the rinsing is going on. As we rinse our burette, okay, with the solution that is to be taken. So rinsing was done. Then we are going for blank. So when the blank is done, you can see that the reading has gone to 0 and we are getting the message aspirate sample. So now we are going to aspirate the sample, means we are going to measure the sodium. Once the needle is rinsed, now we are getting the reading as 10 ppm. So this particular borewell sample has 10 ppm of sodium in it. Now we are going to check sodium for the prepared sample. So again we will start with the procedure. As you can see, the instrument is giving us indication aspirate sample. So we are going to aspirate the sample. You can see the flame has turned red. So it is an indication that yes, sodium is present. So it is showing now rinse the sampler. So we are going to rinse the sampler. This is a very sophisticated instrument, so needs to be handled very carefully.